Have you ever struggled opening up a Post-it Note dispenser? Look no more. Hey guys, my name is Tchoi. Thank you for joining me today. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing. In my channel, I talk about everything to do with the office. And today I'm going to show you how to load 5 different types of Post-it Note dispensers in under 2 minutes. Now, before I begin, I want to give a big shout out to my sponsor, iCloth. They make amazing cleaning wipes. If you haven't seen my latest video on how I use my iCloth to clean my 4K display, check it out right over here. We're going to go from the easiest to the hardest. Let's start off with the easiest first. These style dispensers, very easy. Lift up the glass top, feed it through the top, and away you go. This one is the same style, except you just take the top off over here, drop your Post-it note pad, feed it through, easy peasy, done, done. The next style of dispensers are like this. These you just slide through the side. Let's start off with this one over here. So what I'd like to do is push the button down like so. I'm going to slide the Post-it note dispenser just like that. That is done. Same idea with the bear. We're going to slide the pad right on the side here, and we're good to go on those too. So for this style, it's just the casing. You're going to pop the casing open. You can see there's little tabs there. That's to take your pop-up note here, put it through the tab, make sure it's seated in properly, flip it over, boom, done. This one, we're going to just take the top off, like that, gently. You don't want to break the tabs off here. And this guy has got a push button. We're going to be loading this one sideways. Push this button down, slide in the pad, take this way, boom. Now you can fill it back up with your pens and pencils. Done. Good. The pebble is a little bit challenging because it's hard to know where it is and have people try to grab it and pull it, yank this off. Super easy. Just put your palm on it, turn, counterclockwise, open it, take your Post-it note pad, feed the top through, make sure that it's in the tabs there. Put it back where we started and turn it, and you're good to go. So there you have it, folks, how to change 5 different styles of Post-it note dispensers. If there's a style that I didn't mention that you're having problems with, leave a comment down below. And of course, if you like this video, please feel free to share it with your friends, family, and coworkers. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe and give me a big thumbs up. Thanks a lot, and we'll see you next time.